Yo, Stover here again. In the last video, we talked about the plasma or the cell membrane. In this video, we're going to talk about the cytoskeleton, which is going to be quicker. Okay, so let me make this bigger so we can get in here, and hopefully my face pops up again. There it is. There we go. So let's talk about the cytoskeleton. The cytoskeleton, think about the term skeleton, and that should help you to sort of understand what it's there for. And then if you think about the word cyto, think about cytoplasm, which is what fills the inside of the cells. Then you know that it's a skeleton inside of the cytoplasm. Okay, so let's go through this. The structure of cytoplasm is it's made of thread-like fibers, kind of like bones, but instead of being bones, it's made like thread-like fibers. And if you look closely, you can see the cytoskeleton inside of the cell. Okay, so you see these little thread-like fibers running through the cell, right? Look down here. There you go. It's made of proteins. Proteins is a big deal when it comes to organelles and the body in general, and macromolecules. So it's made of proteins, and it's usually not pictured in a cell diagram. It's not because it's not important. It's because that it's inside of the cytoplasm, and it's just assumed to be there. That gives it shape, right? It gives the cell shape. Like our skeletons give us shape. The internal bones of our body make it to where we can, stand up, move around. And so the cytoskeleton's job is to give shape to the cell. It can also move organelles around. Now, what that means is that organelles will kind of travel along the pathways, and different proteins will even travel along the pathways of the thread-like fibers in both of these cells. And so it gives shape to the cell, and it can also move organelles around. So it provides structural support for animal cells that do not have a cell wall. Okay? Remember that, for animal cells that do not have a cell wall. And so we're looking at it, it's pointing at it right here, and then it's pointing at it into the plant cells. So we have the cytoskeleton. Now the next one's going to come up is going to be cytoplasm, and we're going to talk about that in just a minute. Hopefully this video helped.